Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. That's making, I can't. Who doesn't need a little bit of Disney in their life? We're making churros. It's another great recipe that can be done while we are in quarantine or have very, very limited supplies. There's very simple ingredients in this that you should have lying around. I did, so if I have it, you should have it. So we're combining the water, butter, salt, and cinnamon in a 1.5 quart saucepan over medium heat. Bring pot to a rolling boil. I think it's just a lot. So saucepan. So I think a saucepan is the deep one. I think somebody corrected me on one of my other videos. Tony just bought all new pots and pans for us. These actually have measuring things on the side of them, and this one is 1.5 quarts. I'm already ahead of the game. Will this be a skillet? Maybe not. Let's do this guy. I'm assuming you're supposed to use the stick of butters, which I don't have. I only have a thing of butter. I'm gonna take a tablespoon, and I need 8 of them. There's already cat hair in here. Maybe I should do the water first. How am I supposed to stir this? Which one? I don't know. Salt. Okay, now what am I doing? Stir vigorously until mix forms a ball. Already a little scared. How much flour? We're just gonna wait. Are you rolling? Okay. Go to low, add in, right? Right? I don't know. Add in this stuff. Right. Oh God, what's happening? Now, I don't have time. I shouldn't be using this. Vigorous enough. It's not exactly a ball, but I think that's close. Oh, what am I making a mess? Set aside, so set off the heat. Remove from heat and let rest for 5 to 7 minutes. Hey Google, set timer for 6 minutes.
All right, 6 minutes, and we're starting now.
Hey Google, thank you.
My pleasure.
3 eggs. Heat oil in a medium skillet until temperature reaches 350. Can you measure 350? You don't go up to 350. How am I supposed to measure if this doesn't go up to 350? Shoot. So while we wait the 5 to 7 minutes, there's a mixture that it has to get tossed into, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So we're mixing the sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. What I'm going to do is I found these colored sugars, so I figured maybe we can try to color them different colors. I'm gonna do the full sugar in each of them because I don't know how to divide that up. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, you just don't want to come out. It's been 6 minutes already? Shoot. Okay, what am I doing? I need a trash can. Oh. That's what my dad does. Right. Hi, Georgie. I wonder why I had to do the eggs separately. Heat oil in a medium skillet. I think that's a skillet. easy, they said. It'll be easy. Ow. I really hurt. I'm a little nervous about this part. Hair's going up. Ow. Be very careful. It's boiling the oil. I think I need to move faster. This seems dangerous. Okay. Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. That's making. I'm gonna. I can't. I can't. I've never had that happen before. Are you too hot? Maybe you're too hot. Oh, why is that cat hair? That heated up really, really quickly, and it's terrifying, and I'm really, really scared right now. So we're gonna do the piping part of it, and then we'll just get that ready. So I don't have a star tip, but I have this cross looking thing. So I'm gonna hope that this works. Obviously I don't have a piping bag. I have a sandwich bag. Or something like that, right? Okay. That stay in there. It'll be easy, they said. It'll be fun, they said. It'll be easy. This is right. Right? Will you come out of there? It's so little. I don't think this is right. How do I know it's done? How do I know what it's gonna look like when it's done? I don't know. How important is the star tip? Can I make a star tip? This can't be right. Is this right? Who cooks like this? So it's officially shot past the 220. So let's see, this goes up by increments of 20. An estimated about 280. How much? 350? There's a lot of anxiety happening right now. Why did I think I could do this? This is how worried I am. Let's just start doing. Do I have to do this over this thing, or oh, you're just gonna pop right on past? Just popped right on out. Now what? That's an inch. You kind of look then. Do I just put you right into the sugar? They clearly don't look like churros. Okay. Wow, you are smoking. You need to go on. I have sugar all over the floor and I'm just stepping on it. No? Okay. I guarantee that these are in there for too long. Don't even need a knife. Looks like a Cheeto. Look at this. I have so much more. There's so many holes in that bag. I don't really know when this is done and when this is not. I'm half afraid some of these are super burnt, and I'm also half afraid that they're not fully cooked. What is that? Ooh! Gosh, get out of there. Alright. Done. My churros. I don't know what to do with you. Oh. Okay. Still taste them. What do I do with you? What am I supposed to do with it? Oh no. The entire house is so smoky right now. I just had to open up every single window. It was worth it. Let's try one of these weird burnt pieces. I think that's sugar. It's burnt sugar, for sure. Still really good. Highly recommend. Children did this?